I thought moving my pot hose from water to soil was the next step. But within days, it started to die. The same cutting that thrived in water began to struggle the moment it touched soil. I almost gave up, until I discovered what really happens when you move a water-grown plant into soil. What I found next completely changed how I transplant my plants, and it might just save yours too. Let's break down what went wrong, and the exact fix that brought this little guy back to life. The reason most water-grown pothos fail in soil isn't because you did something wrong. It's because the roots are too pampered. Water roots grow soft and white, perfect for soaking. But the moment they touch dry soil, they panic. They can't breathe. Mix a little of the same water your pothos grew in with your potting soil, about 2 handfuls per pot. This keeps the roots in familiar conditions for the first few days. Press the soil lightly around the roots, not hard. You're letting air in, roots breathe too. Keep it where there's light, but no harsh sun. Think window light with a curtain. That gives the roots time to adjust. After 7 to 10 days, you'll notice your pothos doesn't droop anymore. And when you see a new leaf, that's proof the roots have adapted to soil. That's when you can start watering normally, once a week or when the top inch feels dry. A few quick warnings so you don't undo your progress. Don't add fertilizer for the first 2 weeks. The roots are fragile, don't move it around too often. Stability matters more than sunlight at this stage. And never let it sit in soggy soil. Drainage holes are your best friend. So now you know the trick that helped me stop losing my pothos every time I switched from water to soil. Try it once, and you'll never go back. If you found this helpful, give it a like so more plant lovers see it, and let me know in the comments how your pothos is doing.